Good morning guys. Once again, I'm back for give another learning sessions for electrical. Since our previous lesson, I'll show you to explain the function and symbols of magnetic contactor. And now, I explain to you how to drawing and reading an electrical diagram of a simple start-stop by use of magnetic contactor and location of their terminals. This is our simple ladder diagram of start-stop with location terminals by use of auxiliary contact and coil contact, or what we call the control circuit. But first, I will show you our push button need and their function. This is our stop push button switch, and this is our start push button switch. Stop push button switch have terminal 1 and terminal 2, and their contact function was normally closed. And our start push button switch with terminal 3 and terminal 4, but their function was normally open. Okay, let's start. From the line source of the power supply connected to stop push button switch of terminal 1, and from the stop push button switch of terminal 2 connected to start push button switch of terminal 3, and from the start push button switch of terminal 4 connected to A1 of terminal for magnetic contactor, and the A2 terminal of the magnetic contactor was direct connect to neutral source, and from the start of terminal 3 connected to terminal number 13 of auxiliary contact, and from the auxiliary contact return line number 14 connected to start of terminal 4. And this is our power circuit by use of main contacts terminals. We have a 3-phase power source, line 1, line 2, line 3, and this is 3 normally open contact is our main contacts with terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, and the load side terminal was terminal T1, terminal T2, and T3. And this is our 3-phase motor that connected to T1, T2, and T3. When the control circuit diagram, when push the start push button switch, the power is direct connected to A1 terminal, and the hour contactor was energized, and the normally open contact of auxiliary was going to close, and our main contact of normally open was going to close simultaneously, and then the motor was energized to run. And when the stop push button switch was pressed, the coil contact of magnetic contactor was disenergized, and normally open auxiliary contact was returned back to normally open contact. And our main contact also was returned back to normally open contact to stop the motor. And once again, this ladder diagram, what we call the control circuit by use of auxiliary contact and coil contact. And this diagram was we call the power circuit by use of main contact. I hope you've learned our lesson for the day, and keep watching for another lessons. Thank you very much.